This video shows how to set up Perplexity API and integrate it with n8n platform from scratch. Open the Perplexity. You will see that you need a credential for this node. Click Create New Credential. Open Google search and type Perplexity. Go to perplexity.ai, log in, go to your account and select API. Create a new API group, blog, description, API for a blog generation, address line, input address, save it. You will also need to add a payment method to buy API credits. Enter a payment method under API billing. I will use my card for testing. The Perplexity will ask for a test payment, approve it. It will charge you $0 US. Now you have a payment method. Still, you cannot create API key because you need to add credits. So go to billing again, buy more credits, add, okay, let it be $3. Confirm the purchase. You will see that you've been charged. Now you have some amount of money on your credit balance. Go to API keys and now you can create API key, create API key. You will have an API key here, copy it, go back to your Perplexity node in n8n, paste your API key, save it. You will see that the credentials are saved. Close this node, now it's well set up. In this way, we've just learned how to create Perplexity API key and integrate it with n8n no-code platform. Subscribe to this channel for more useful automations.